Hello viewers, welcome back. Hello viewers, welcome back to Algebra math class. We want to solve this equation: x to the power of 4 equals x minus 1 to the power of 4. But before we proceed, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, doing this, we have that x to the power of 4 minus x minus 1 to the power of 4 equals to 0. Okay, so rewriting this can be written as x to the power of 2 all squared minus x minus 1 squared all squared equals to 0. Okay, now using the method of difference of two squares, so which is the method of a squared minus b squared, which is the same thing as a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so using the same method here, we have x squared plus x minus 1 squared. Also, x squared minus x minus 1 squared equals to 0. So this is the same thing as x squared plus x squared minus 2x plus 1, x squared minus x squared plus 2x, take note of the negative sign, minus 1 equals to 0. So here I'm going to have 2x squared minus 2x plus 1. So here my x squared cancelled out, so I'm going to have 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So with this, we can have that 2x minus 1 equals to 0. That's the first. And also, it can be 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. For the first condition here, we can see that x is going to be half. So here we can check if it has solution or not. Okay, but I'm just going to work it out. I'm working it out using quadratic formula approach. Here we know that a is 2, b is negative 2, and c is 1. So using the quadratic formula approach, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So here I can have my x to be equals to negative b, which is negative 2, which is 2, plus or minus b squared, which is 4ac, which is 8, over 2a, which is 2 times 2, which is 4. So here x is going to be 2 plus or minus root negative 4 over 4. So here x is going to be 2 into brackets 1 plus square root of 4, negative 4 is going to be 2i, so it should be plus or minus I, okay, over 4. So this cancel out. So finally, I have my x to be equals to 1 plus or minus I over 2. So the three solutions we have is x equals to half and x equal 1 plus or minus I over 2. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.